into day 3 of oat harvest. Right now, sitting in the combine here, and we're combining a strip just from the top of the field there, down. And for some reason, the head comes up. So we're trying to push it down and everything. Well, it's not the physical head, it's just the reel, the black reel thing. So down there, there's a hydraulic cylinder that holds the head up and down. It seemed to wanted to raise it up. So we have shut everything down. We're gonna turn it all back on. My dad's checking things out now. Once we turn it back on, hopefully it works. We want to get around and get this all cleaned up here. Do a pass down and back, unload. Or actually, no, we're full. Bring it all back to the yard, load a truck in the morning, and continue. I just got back. I'm working a town job, so I'm not here full time, pretty much. But I get back here and work as much as I can while I'm here investigating now.
Oh yeah, isn't that fucking nice? What do you know? That fucking works.
Yep. Now she works.
I tell you. Asshole effect. We'll just leave that button fucking alone until we get done.
Yep.
See, at first we're calling for a truck.
Oh yeah.
That's why I never call until we fucking have a load.
Yeah. Back rolling.
That's so wicked.
It's around 7 o'clock now. We're just going down the field and we're going to call her quits for the night. Put the head on the header trailer, take the gravity wagon back to the yard, pack her all in tonight. We're going to have a truck at 8 a.m. tomorrow, so we'll be loading that up. Continuing with oat harvest. Clean the front of the combine off here before we unhook. Oh, caught my foot on something there. That ain't good. Cleared all the debris away from the belts here. Just doing that so we don't have a belt fire from all of these oat hulls rubbing against these belts here. Don't need a combine fire. Tossing the header back on this trailer here. We're leaving it in the field tonight. Header's not broke today, so we're just gonna leave it here for tomorrow. Come back. I'll go back and grab that wagon from up there. That went smoothly today. Usually, the reason why we have the tractor hooked onto this wagon is because we pull up once with the combine and either have to move backwards or forwards with the wagon. So, this time I guess we didn't have to do that. We hooked the wagon here now. Head over and grab that other wagon now. There goes the combine. Heading up. We'll grab this wagon now. We got a fair bit done today. My dad was saying that started around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. He was working on other projects in the morning. Last year we had a big problem with the sickle bar on the grain head breaking. So he fixed up our spare one that we have. Got that all put back together. And did a couple other odd jobs. We got 2 wagon loads off today, which is better than the last few days. We've only gotten, yesterday we got half a wagon, and the day before we only got half a wagon. So far today's been going better. My dad took apart the slip clutch on that PTO shaft. That was seized right solid. So yesterday with all that stuff breaking down, like the shaft coming off and everything, that was mainly caused because, well, A, the floor wasn't bolted up, and B, that slip clutch was seized up and wouldn't slip. So instead, the shaft kept on spinning and breaking and whatnot, so line up to this wagon properly. I was in tune to it, doing forge, hauling all those forge wagons, but haven't done that in a couple months, so practice. Let's see if we got her. Oh, looks like we didn't. One millimeter off pretty well. Probably half an inch, but god damn it. She's in now. Time to haul this wagon back. Nice sunset out tonight. I got the 2 tarped wagons tarped up. Talk to you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for more of oat harvest.